All right, so we just finished with part one. There is a house points and candy challenge. So for that, you will need to collect 55 kilograms of trash off the ocean floor. You'll need to use the distance sensor and the color sensor. We will need to use a loop forever block conditional. This time we'll need to add another condition. So it would be an else if and else if. All right, so here, finishing from part one. So we're going to use all this code from part one, plus using our distance sensor to see if our robot has found trash. So we still want the forever loop. So while true, we want to see if our robot sees blue, we want it to turn around. And now what we're going to need to do is I'm just going to put my cursor there underneath my if statement, and I'm going to type in elif, so else if. And this time, else if, I'm going to go to sensing, and we want to do the one that says distance found object. And I'm going to put it right there next to my elif. And we need to make sure that we have got a colon at the end. After the end of each of the if, else, and elif statements, we need a colon. So else if our front distance, so if the eye has found an object ahead of it, we want our robot to drive forward towards it. So I'm going to go to drivetrain, and I'm going to grab the one that says drive forward, and I'm just going to put it there. Perfect. So if it sees blue, turn right a random amount. So that will save us from ruining the coral reef. And then this one, so if it sees trash, it'll drive forward. Else, oh, I forgot one thing in my elif. Does anybody see what it is? So I'm going to put my cursor at the end of the drive forward the drive forward. And then we need our little wait time. So I'm going to highlight wait 5 milliseconds, Command C, and then put my cursor right underneath the D of the drivetrain and Command V. Perfect. So drive forward, and then else, we don't want it to drive forward. Let's just have it turn and look for trash, so that it only drives when it sees trash. So underneath the else, we will delete the drive forward, and I'm going to grab turn right for 90 degrees, and I'm going to put that right underneath my else statement. And then I'm going to change 90. I'm going to put it as 30 degrees. So it'll turn just a little bit, and it will continue to keep turning a little bit until it has found an object, a piece of trash. So let's go show, and then let's reset, and then let's click play. So it sees that water bottle, and then it turned just a little bit. It saw that bag of trash, and then it saw this, and then so it will keep turning until it sees an object. Oops, sees that big bag of trash. Sweet.